Well, how tough it is for India to prepare and plan for an unpredictable side like Pakistan?
Well, we know that they have a lot of talent in their team, but we know that if we play well, then we play really well as a team, and we saw that in the first two games that we played, very clinical performances, and we just focused on exactly what we need to do. We're not focusing too much on what the opposition has to do or what they will bring to the table. We need to believe in our strengths, and we believe if we play well as a team, as I mentioned, we can beat any side in the world, and that's the kind of confidence we have carried in the first two games, and we want to continue in the same manner in the next whatever coming games we have.
Virat, considering Pakistan's proficiency against spinners, and also you may have had a look at the wicket. So, any kind of strategic changes that you're looking at?
Yeah, I mean the conditions and the length of the game will obviously make us think about a few combinations that we could potentially go in with. Look, as I said, we're not focusing too much on the strengths of the opposition. The kind of spinners and the kind of bowlers that we have in our team, it's difficult for any team to just come out and attack these guys straight away. There's a certain level of risk involved as well when you have world-class bowlers bowling at you and you want to go at them. So I think, as I said, we need to focus on the things that we do well as a side and the kind of combination that we are comfortable with, because we back all the players in our team and expect them to put in performances and turn up on the day and execute what they are best known for. But yeah, the length of the game and looking at the conditions, we will definitely think of a few combinations.
But looking at the playing against Australia and how you approach Pakistan, which is also a subcontinent side, and also with the rain threat around, how do you plan it? Do you have to plan something different from other matches?
Look, we'll have to be flexible. We can't be rigid in our approach, because if the conditions are very different from what we played in the last game, then we'll have to think of different combinations, which areas to strengthen when it comes to the bowling attack. If pace becomes a more potent option, then we'll look to explore that. If not, if the length of the game is going to be full and we expect the game to be 50 overs both sides, then we'll probably think of another combination. But yeah, we'll have to be flexible. We'll have to see how today pans out, how tomorrow the conditions are, and then I think all players are in a zone to be ready to play. So that helps in selecting the combination that you need to, depending on what conditions you're going to face.
I would like to ask about tomorrow match after the weather. Who is real threat in Pakistan team for you?
As I said, we're not focusing on the opposition. So for us, no one's a threat. For us, no one player matters more than the other. For us, it's about going in onto the park as the Indian cricket team and taking on whichever team is in front of us. If we play well, as I said, we can beat any side in the world. If you don't play well, teams are going to come out and beat you. So that's how simple the game of cricket is, and it should be. And in our minds, nothing changes according to the opposition. So we're only focusing on playing the kind of cricket we're known for, not singling out any player from the opposition or focusing on one particular player more than the other.
We'll take one more question from the left.
Yeah, Virat, from the Champions Trophy onwards time, I mean, this is a team we've played not very often compared to, let's say, Australia. So, how much of a challenge is it to play against the unknown factors? There are some players which will change, new players would come in. Is it more challenging, or how do you approach it?
I don't see it as a massive challenge, because even the teams that you know very well, you still have to go out there and play good cricket. And if you play good cricket, if you do the basics better than the opponent, then invariably in cricket you win. Unless someone comes out and creates a match-winning magical performance all by himself. More often than not, if 11 guys execute what they're supposed to on the field with absolute precision and focus, you end up winning the game more often than not. So for us, it's as I said, the most important thing and the most crucial thing is to focus on us as a team and what our strengths are. And we believe that if we do our strengths well, that is good enough for anyone in the world and up against anyone in the world. So we have to carry that kind of belief. And for us then, familiar oppositions, unfamiliar oppositions don't matter, because you understand that if you don't play well, you don't win. And if you play well, you can win against anyone. So I think our focus will be to do that and do that consistently, because it's a long tournament and we need to keep playing the kind of cricket we have played in the first two games.
विराट, इफ़ यू कुड आंसर इन हिंदी और उर्दू, कितना मुश्किल होता है जब ऐसी टीम जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाए कि ये कुछ भी कर सकती है, ऐसी टीम के अगेंस्ट प्रिपेयर करना, अगर इस बात का आप हिंदी में अगर आप जवाब दे सकें तो?
जी, प्रिपरेशन जैसे मैंने बोला कि अपनी टीम की स्ट्रेंथ पे अगर आप फोकस रखें तो आप जिस मैच में अच्छा खेलेंगे वो मैच आप जीतेंगे. आप किसी भी टीम के अगेंस्ट हों, अगर आप उनको जानते भी हैं, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेस भी जानते हैं, अगर आप फिर भी उसको अच्छे से टैकल ना करें तो जीतने के चांसेस कम होते हैं. तो क्रिकेट एक ऐसा स्पोर्ट है कि बेसिक्स तो क्रिकेट में हमेशा रहेंगे, चाहे आप किसी की गेम से फेमिलियर हो या ना हो. एक कवर ड्राइव है, एक अच्छी बॉल है. तो हमारा फोकस वो बेसिक्स पे रहता है हमेशा, क्योंकि उससे हमारी कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंसेस और बढ़ती जाती हैं. और अगर 11 लोग एक साथ फोकस परफॉर्मेंस देंगे तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि किसी भी टीम को आप हरा सकते हैं. और अगर आप उस दिन पे अच्छा नहीं खेलेंगे तो ये स्पोर्ट ऐसा है कि दूसरी टीम भी जीत सकती है. तो हमारा फोकस यही रहेगा कि हम अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को कितने अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट करें और एक गेम को गेम की तरीके से खेलें और जो बेसिक्स हैं उन पर फोकस करें, अपनी जो अटेंशन है वो बिल्कुल प्रिसाइज रखें.